Question 12. Element P has n protons and forms ions with a charge of -1. Element Q has n-1 protons. Element P reacts with element Q to form which kind of compound? Alright, so element P forms negatively charged ions and it has n protons. So the ions it forms has a charge of -1, and this implies that P must be in group 7 or 17. Why? Because group 17, they always forms ions with a charge of -1. And this tells us that P must be a non-metal because all group 7 elements are non-metals. And element Q has n-1 protons, which means that Q is in the column that is behind or to the left of P. So it is in group 6 or group 16. And this indicates that it's also a non-metal. Now, if two non-metals form a compound together, it will be a covalent compound. Okay, so that means that we can ignore A and B, and C and D are our only two options. Okay, so P is in group 17 or 7, so it needs to form one covalent bond in order to get a noble gas configuration. Whereas Q, being in group 6 or 16, it needs to form two covalent bonds in order to get its noble gas configuration. So the structure that makes sense in order to fulfill these conditions is something like this. Q would form two covalent bonds with one atom of P each. And this gives us a covalent compound with the formula P2Q. And hence, C is our answer.